Okay, job 23663. It's the FedEx reimbursement at SeaTac. We're looking at asphalt, curb, striping, signage. That curbing also includes curb and gutter. This is not a PLA project, but this is for GC. It's for Swinnerton. And I went and met Aaron back in December to talk about future work with Swinnerton. We've done work with Swinnerton before. So right now there's an existing lot out there where there is an existing building. So we're not going to do any removal of existing out there. We will only be doing placement. So on page C103, I think it is. Let me go to the page for you. Okay, on page C100, it gives you some grading notes down here. And it shows you where extruded curb is, where there's cast in place curb, meaning curb and gutter. Then there's the dark shaded area, that's the heavy HMA, and the parking area, which is the just regular HMA. So when I say heavy, this is this dark area in this area here that goes up and around and all the way back down here. This is a parking area. That parking area is 3 inches of HMA. This area out here, the heavy area, is 6 inches of HMA. Okay, so in this light colored area, right down in here, we've got 117 square feet plus 3,608 square feet. In the heavy asphalt area, there's 6,518 square feet plus 6,427 square feet, which is that area and that area coming down. You can see the definitive line there from light gray to dark gray. Runs right up the side there. Okay, we're gonna have them do the grading, provide all the rock. We'll go in when it's pave ready. On page C103, it shows you the layout of stall markings we need to make down in the parking area, as well as where loading docks are. There's also some striping up in here that we're going to have to end up doing as well. The detail for the curbing and the asphalt is on page C104. So C104, the extruded curbing is 6x10. So we'll use 6x10 inch curbing with slurry adhesive on that curbing. We've got 65 plus 22 plus 197 plus 34 plus 58. That's 6x10 curb with slurry mix adhesive. Details on C104. For the curb and gutter, that's also on C104, detail number 3. The extruded curb was detail number 4. There's our detail for our curb and gutter. And that would be a reinforced curb, 26 plus 22 plus 103. That's the total measurements for curb and gutter. Concrete pad, I was going to put that in there, but I'm not going to bid for the concrete pad work. We won't be very competitive. Stall striping. You've got 4-inch white stall striping. There's 39 stalls, and that's 702 lineal feet. You got 2 ADA stalls with blue background. You got 120 feet of 4-inch yellow crosshatch striping, which that crosshatch striping is going to be what you see here for the ADAs. That's in yellow. Then you have these crosswalk bars that are 4 inches as well. We're going to put that in as yellow, 180 feet. We've got 2 ADA signs that go on round posts that will be set in the landscape. We got some more 4-inch yellow, which is some crosshatch striping. 720 feet plus 560 feet. There's red painted curb, 170 plus 75. Yellow curb, there's 84 feet plus 60. This 4-inch cross hatching, that is also yellow. So let's add that to the 4-inch yellow. It's 200 feet. 6-inch stop bar. You got 15 feet of 6-inch white painted stop bar. Then you've got an 8-inch diameter bollard that needs to be removed and replaced. They'll remove the old one. We'll replace with a new one. So 8-inch bollard, 7 foot long, 4 foot out of the ground, 3 foot in the ground. The detail for the bollard is also on C104, detail number 2. You can see it's 8-inch steel pipe, 5 feet out of the ground, 2 feet in the ground. But you have to go down roughly 3.5 feet and then an 18-inch diameter hole to put the concrete in. I'm going to say there's probably going to be, well, if you go by bags of concrete, it's probably going to be around 8 bags of concrete. Let's see what else. And then we also have to paint it yellow. And right now, I have 2 of those. 2 total bollards to put in and paint yellow. Flexible guideposts. These are the little 4 foot tall posts that go on those little tripod bases. There's 3 of those that we need, and right now we're just going to go with the white flexible guideposts that are 4 feet tall. So this is JC work. So it's supposed to happen this year in 2020. We'll have to do this probably in phases because of the heavy asphalt that we're putting in there. We'll probably do a lift ATB first in here on the heavy stuff, and that's 6 inches. And then on this 3-inch here, they might have us put that in at the same time as the ATB. Maybe not, but I'm sure we'll have to separate this out when we go to do the work. Let's see what else. Oh, like I said before, there's striping up here that we need to do too. So to give you an idea of what I measured up for the heavy asphalt, you can see it in the dark red. Then you can see in the light red where I did the 3-inch asphalt. As far as the curbing goes, the extruded curbing, all extruded curbing is located around the planters here. As you can see, right here goes around the planter. A little bit of extruded curb right here. There's a little bit of extruded curb that goes right here and over to here. This little section right here is going to be curb and gutter, as well as down this whole stretch going out to the entrance. Then you've got extruded curb that goes from this point right about here. It's actually right here. That's extruded curb going all the way in front of the parking stalls and out to the entrance there. And that's all extruded curb to there. Only to that point. This little area right here is curb and gutter in this little area right there. And that should do it for now. Swinnerton's really looking for a good paving contractor to do some of these jobs for them, and they're really hoping that we can start something up with them because they've got a decent amount of projects for asphalt repairs, restoration, striping, all kinds of good stuff. I've already met 4 of them in their office and at the BOMA Christmas party. Okay, this information is saved to Google Drive, and some of these notes are also put into Workman's, but all your quantities will be right here in this video. All right, thanks.